Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be Halloween meal snack ideas. So the first one is swamp mac and cheese. For this, and all of these are relatively simple. So for this one, all you really need is Kraft macaroni and cheese, because that's what I did. I made a box of Kraft macaroni, and I didn't color the entire box, and some green food coloring. And I only put like 3 drops because this is really intense gel food coloring. And then I just stirred it in there and ended up with green macaroni and cheese. So it kind of looks like swamp water. Okay, this next treat is just apple smiles, and this has been around for years. We did this when I was a little kid. Just apple slices, peanut butter, and marshmallows, and then it looks like smiles. And I don't know why this is associated with Halloween now, because when I was a kid, it wasn't associated with Halloween. It was just a fun snack. Now it's associated with Halloween, and so this is what I did for one of the snacks. And you just put peanut butter on slices of apple and then put the marshmallows and put them together, and it kind of looks like a smile if you don't know how to do it, but I'm guessing that most people probably do. Okay, and this final treat is spider sandwiches. I just made a peanut butter sandwich and used pretzel rods and marshmallows. And all you need, and you don't have to do this, I just thought it looked cuter if you cut the bread out into a circle shape, and I just used a lid from the peanut butter jar with this. It was about the size I needed, and I had it handy, so that's what I used. So I just cut 2 circles out of 2 slices of bread and made a peanut butter sandwich. And then I used marshmallows for eyes and pretzel sticks for legs. And it kind of looks like a spider, and it's cute, and it's very simple. So that's going to be it for Halloween meal / snack ideas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.